Hi everyone. This is regarding home automation project. This is a complete prototype. So I am using this prototype to explain how all the things are working in one platform. This is a circuit diagram. So I am using two appliances for the example. As you can see, this is two lights in your room. So in real time, you can take it as a two lights, and I place the lights and here and here. So one end is connected to ground of each light. So you can see this end is connected to ground and this end is connected to ground, and the another end of the this white as the white. So I indicate a white wire as a white light. So this white wire is connected to D0, and this green wire is connected to D1. So I named this light as a white light and this light as a green light. So let's okay. So and those two grounds are connected with this ground, as you can see. So here you can see this is the ground. This is the ground. Okay. So it's all about connections. So okay. So let's look into the programming part. This is the coding. So already I'll discuss regarding this. So this is the authentication code which sent to your email ID. So you need to enter here, and this is the Wi-Fi username, and this is a Wi-Fi password. Mm. Wi-Fi password. So I upload this code in GitHub, so you can download this code. So whenever you use this code, so please make sure you are entering correct authentication code and correct username and correct password. So you can enjoy, you can use this code by renaming those three. So after completing this, so you need to go to the tool and check whether the board is connected to Node MCU or not. So it is connected to Node MCU, and check the port number. So port number is also connected. So let's verify the code. So I'm already verified it. So just click on verify. After completing verify, so then upload into the your Node MCU. So just look into the Node MCU once. So I'm connecting Node MCU with USB cable with my laptop. So here I'm connecting here, and I'm connecting Node MCU here. So this is completed. Then the Node MCU is uploaded with the code. So let's try in our real time. So I'm already explained how to configure the IFTTT. So I think all of you know IFTTT and how to connect each and everything. So if you have any doubts, please refer the session videos. Also, so now I am going to operate those lights using my Google Assistant. So let's see. I'm giving the word face. First word has follow. So firstly, I want to turn on the white light. So this one. So this one name as a white light. So I'm using the displays. Turn on white light.
White light is on.
So you can see this light is on. Turn off white light.
White light is off.
Okay, you can see this light is on by the command.
Here's what I found on the web.
By the command, and I'm trying with another. Turn on green light. So name as a green light.
Green light is on.
So this light is on. So okay. So I name this this light 2 as a green light. So this is on. So you can see the green light is on. So now I'm trying to turn off this green light. Turn off green light.
Green light is off.
So you can see the green light is off. So this is all about the home automation project prototype. So if you have any doubts regarding IFTT, so I think everything is explained during the session, how to give the face of word in in IFTT during the session. If you have any doubts, please feel free to message me, so to contact me, please. So I think if you face any errors or issues, please feel free to contact me through the mail or any communication. So I'm definitely give the response. So this is regarding home automation. Thank you, everybody.